If your squats feel awkward, unstable, or weak, it's not because your legs are weak. It's because you were never taught how to squat properly. Most people aren't bad at squats. They're just repeating the wrong pattern. In the next few minutes, you'll understand exactly why your squats feel off and how to fix them so they finally feel strong and natural. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up your squat, how to move correctly, and how to stop wasting reps that don't build strength. This matters because squats aren't just a leg exercise. They're a full body movement. When your squat improves, your strength improves, your balance improves, and your confidence under load improves, but only if the pattern is right. Step 1. Fix your stance. Most people stand too narrow or too wide because they're copying what they see online. Your feet should be about shoulder width apart. Your toes should be slightly turned outward. That position gives you balance, power, and control. If your stance is wrong, everything else breaks down. Fix this first. Step 2. Start the squat with your hip. Most people drop straight down by bending their knees first. That makes the squat feel unstable and weak. A proper squat starts at the hips. Push your hips back slightly, like you're sitting into a chair. Then let your knees bend naturally. This loads your glutes, keeps your torso strong, and makes the movement feel smooth instead of forced. Step 3. Depth is not the goal. Control is. If you drop low and lose tension, you're not building strength. You're practicing collapse. Only go as low as you can while staying balanced, tight, and in control. Parallel with good tension is better than deep with bad form. Always. Step 4. Slow the rep down. Rushing squats destroys progress. When you slow down, you feel where things go wrong. You notice if your heels lift. You notice if your knees cave in. You notice if your core switches off. Lower yourself with control. Pause briefly at the bottom. Stand up with intention. That's how squats actually work. Let's clean up the most common traps. First mistake, chasing depth instead of stability. Second mistake, letting the knees collapse inward. Third mistake, treating squats like cardio instead of strength. These mistakes don't mean you're bad at squats. They just mean no one corrected you. Now you know better. If your heels lift, slow the movement down and slightly widen your stance. If your chest collapses, brace your core before you descend. If your knees cave in, push them outward and reduce your depth temporarily. Fix the pattern first, then build intensity. Strength comes from precision, not rushing. Here's a simple 7-day reset. Every day do this. 3 sets of slow squats. 1 second pause at the bottom. Focus on balance and control, not reps. Film 1 set, watch it, adjust. In 7 days, your squat will feel completely different. And if you want to shortcut the learning curve and build this the right way from the start, the next logical step is in the link below. No hype, just clarity.